Hello everyone. I, Prashant Sadaphule, Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Engineering of All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology, Pune. In today's session, we will discuss second type of transformation, that is rotation. In previous video, we covered first type of transformation, that is translation. Now in today's video, we are going to discuss rotation transformation. So first we discuss 2D transformation. Now transformation means changing some graphics into something else by applying rules. Transformation plays an important role in computer graphics to reposition the graphics on the screen and change their size or orientation. We have different types of transformation such as translation, rotation, scaling, sharing, reflection. So in today's video we are going to cover rotation, that is changing the orientation of an object. Now we will discuss rotation transformation. In computer graphics, 2D rotation is a process of rotating an object with respect to an angle in a two-dimensional plane. So let's see figure. Here we have one object called as a P. That object initially has its own coordinate, that is x, y, and it made angle with origin, that is phi. Now suppose if we rotate this object from this location to another location, so we get new coordinates for that point, that is p dash, and coordinates are x dash, y dash, and the rotation angle, that is theta. So we have to achieve this rotation by using two equations, that is x dash is equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta, and y dash is equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta. Now we will see the derivations for these two equations. So first we have to calculate the cos phi and sin phi. So cos phi is equal to x upon r and sin phi is equal to y upon r. Now from these we have to calculate the values for x and y. So x is equal to r cos phi and y is equal to r sin phi. Now call these two equations as equation 1 and equation 2. Now we want to rotate that point from this location to another location. So we have total angle as phi plus theta. So we have to calculate cos phi plus theta and sin phi plus theta. Now we have equation cos phi plus theta is equal to x dash upon r. So we have to calculate the value for x dash. So x dash is equal to r cos phi plus theta. Now here we have to apply cosine addition formula, that is cos a plus b. So after applying cosine addition formula, we get equation as x dash is equal to r cos phi cos theta minus sin phi sin theta. Now multiply by r to this bracket, we get x dash is equal to r cos phi cos theta minus r sin phi sin theta. Now from equation 1 and 2, we have to put the values of r cos phi and r sin phi. So we get equation for x dash as x dash is equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta. So this is the equation for new coordinate, that is x dash. Now same we have to calculate sin phi plus theta. So sin phi plus theta is equal to y dash upon r. Now we have to solve this equation for y dash value. So y dash is equal to r sin phi plus theta. Now again here we are applying the sign addition formula, that is sine of a plus b. So we get value for y dash as y dash is equal to r sin phi cos theta plus cos phi sin theta. Now again multiply by r to this bracket, we get y dash is equal to r sin phi cos theta plus r cos phi sin theta. Now from equation 1 and 2 put the values of sin phi and cos phi, so we get equation as y dash is equal to y cos theta plus x sin theta. So this is the equation. From this we get the values of y dash, and these two, that is x dash and y dash, these are the new coordinates for point P dash. Now we'll see the matrix representation for these equations. So see, matrix representation x dash y dash is equal to cos theta minus sin theta cos theta into x y. So here we are multiplying the original coordinates with this matrix, then we get new coordinates, that is x dash and y dash. Now this matrix representation we have to convert it into homogeneous matrix representation. Now homogeneous matrix representation means we have to represent 2D coordinates in triplet format. So we have to represent xy coordinates in triplet format. So we have x dash y dash and 1 is equal to cos theta minus sin theta 0, sin theta cos theta 0, 0 0 1 into x y and 1. So this is the matrix representation for rotation transformation. Hope you guys clear the rotation transformation, its equations and matrix representation. In next video we will discuss scaling transformation. Thank you.